Hey, so we have this question and it says rewrite the logarithmic expression as an exponential expression to find its value. All right, so I need to recall that log base A of B equals C. I can rewrite this as an exponential expression by taking A to the C is equal to B. A to the C is equal to B. And in previous videos, I've said how it's like kind of makes like a little swirl, and you could look at it like a snail or like a sideways ice cream cone or whatever helps you to remember. I always have thought of it as a snail, so that's where I go to. But you go A to the C is equal to B. That's how you can change between exponential expressions and logarithmic expressions. So we have log base 3 of 1 over 243. And we don't know what it's equal to. That's what we're trying to find in this problem. So I'm going to say it's equal to n. For some n, we don't know what the n is yet. So we know it's equal to some n. So I'm going to make my little snail. 3 to the n is equal to 1 over 243. And I'm going to get 3 to the n is equal to 1 over 243. All right. So this 243, I'm going to try and factor it into terms of 3. So I'm going to do that over here. 243. I'm going to start factoring out 3s to see what I get. Whenever I factor out a 3 here, I get 81. And 81 is 9 times 9, which I know is 3 times 3 and 3 times 3. So then that tells me that 243 factors as 3 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 to the 5th power. All right. So I'm going to rewrite my expression over here as 3 to the n is equal to 1 over 3 to the 5. All righty. Now I'm going to need to remember a fact about exponentials that if I have 1 over a to the c, this is going to be equal to a to the negative c. I can move my term a to the c to the numerator by making my exponent negative. And vice versa. If I had a to the c that I was starting off with, I could move that to the denominator and have a to the negative c. So using this fact, I can take this expression here. I'm going to move it down over here. And I'm going to get 3 to the n is equal to 3 to the negative 5. All right. And for these two to be equal, my exponents have to be equal. For 3 to the n to be equal to 3 to the negative 5, n has to be equal to negative 5. So then I get my n is equal to negative 5. And then that will be my final answer.